Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create WhatsApp business account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Start by installing the WhatsApp business application from Google Play Store. So open your Play Store and type WhatsApp business. So install the WhatsApp business app. So after installation, open the app and click on agree and continue, and enter here your phone number and click on continue. Allow and give here your business name. Select category here, click on next, and here you can explore business tools. So I'm going to clicking on not now, and you can set up backup here. So this was how we can create a WhatsApp business account. If you think to see more WhatsApp videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.